welcome back to my channel. I'm Nikki and I set up UNikkiCreations. I'm a wildlife, pet portrait and botanical artist, and I'm based in Lincolnshire in the UK. So I just thought I'd put together another vlog for you for this month. I did one in February, so hello, this is March. Here in the UK, it's starting to brighten up here, which is really nice. So there's been some sunshine. It's a bit gloomier today, but yeah, the weather's definitely looking better. I thought I'd give you an update from my studio so you know what I've been up to and what's coming up. So I'm pretty much coming to the end of my commission time now for people. The last 5 months have been really busy, so I'm really looking forward. I'm actually going to have a bit of a break away from doing commissions until September. Oh my gosh, because I have a big exhibition coming up with the National Trust in the summer, so I need to work my socks off and get lots of new pieces together ready for that. So I'm so excited, and I'm really looking forward to actually being able to create some of my own ideas and pieces again, which is going to be lovely, because I've done lots of pieces for other people, but I just haven't had time to be able to do my own things. So yeah, it's going to be lovely to actually create some of my own pieces, and I've got lots of sketches and designs and ideas, so I'm really looking forward to sharing them with you. So this is one of my commissions that I've just finished. This is little Keith. I thought I'd show him to you because he is absolutely adorable. So he's a watercolour, and he was an absolute pleasure to paint. He's a right little character in real life as well. So yeah, I was really excited and I'm dropping him off to his owners today. So yeah, I can't wait for them to see him. So I've got a couple more. I've got 2 more commissions, one that's nearly finished, the other one that's about halfway through, and I'll share them with you when I can, because both of them are gifts, so I can't share them quite yet, but as soon as I can I will. So that's kind of where the commissions are at from the studio perspective. I've also got a lot of workshops. I run workshops every month of the year. I try and do at least 2 if I can fit them in. Summer months sometimes it's more tricky because I obviously have a lot more events and that I attend, so being able to fit the workshops in at the weekends as well as them can be quite tricky, and obviously I've got a family too, so I want to spend a bit of time with them. So yeah, I've got lots of new workshops, so have a little look at my website. I'll put it along the bottom here so you can have a little look at what's coming up, and I update that regularly. And you can also join my VIP emailing list, so I will put my email at the top, and then you can join me on my email list and you'll get priority booking, and you'll get to see what's coming up before anyone else does, before I put it on my social media. So yeah, have a little look on there, join me. It's a lovely community, so yeah, come along and join me. It's just wonderful to all create together and share ideas and just make lovely things. So yeah, I hope you like it. The other thing I wanted to say is that we've got Easter looming, so literally a couple of weeks away and it'll be Easter, and that's really when all the shows and events start. So I've got a couple of events I'm going to in Lincolnshire. One's with the National Trust over Easter. I've got a smaller craft market that I'm doing about middle of April time, and then I'm at the Lincolnshire Showground as well at the big craft event, and that is the bank holiday Monday over Easter. So next week I'm going to do a post about how I get ready for the shows. Hopefully you'll find it interesting, and I can show you how I make some of the products that I sell on my stalls. Sorry about that, I'm back again. The doorbell rang, so I ended up having to disappear off. I've come back again now. So before I was talking about the products that I sell on my stall. So I'm going to show you how I go about designing and putting them together, getting stock ready, and how I then display them. And I'm going to take you along with me this year. I've got quite a few events. I think about 30 events booked in the diary. So I'm going to bring you along. You can join me and you can see how I set up the stalls, what the different markets and events are like, the country shows, which are my favourite. So yeah, hopefully you'll find them interesting as well. So always pop in the comments if there's anything in particular you want me to share, or if there's anything you want to ask me about. I've been doing this now for 3.5 years, so in the scale of things with other businesses, it's not very long, but actually in that 3.5 years, I've learned a heck of a lot. So it would be lovely to be able to share that with you if it's something that you're interested in, or you just want to ask me a question. I honestly do not mind sharing it with you at all. And also equally, if there's ever anything you think, oh, I wonder if she knew about this, just drop it in the comments, because I find it really helpful to be able to chat with other people, bounce ideas off of one another. So yeah, do always kind of share that with me too if you can. So that's my kind of quick roundup for March. As I said, there'll be some more videos coming for specific things that I'm getting ready and prepped for. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my page. It really helps me to be able to get out to other people, and hopefully get lots of other like-minded wildlife enthusiasts involved, other artists as well, because I love doing the workshops, I love doing the tutorials. I've got some tutorials on my YouTube channel as well. So at the end, hopefully there'll be a link come up so that you can have a little look at what videos I've got on there. And again, any ideas for those, because it's something I want to do a lot more of. So do let me know if there's any particular sort of subjects, botanicals, wildlife, pets that you would like me to do a tutorial on, or any elements of the techniques that I use as well. And I'm very happy to share them. So yeah, thank you very much. I hope you have a really cracking week, and yeah, I'll be back again soon. Take care. Bye.